Your gut says, no, get away from this person. But your mind has no words for what's wrong. You have this weird feeling of deja vu, like you have been here and done this way too many times. How do you make sense of what's happening? Stop inviting what doesn't work and start inviting people who actually complement and help your true self. I'm Dana Hicks, a licensed clinical mental health counselor, and have 6 steps from inviting your yuck to inviting your yummy. Step 1 is feelings. So name the top 3 emotions this person usually leaves you with. So an example might be, after I see this person, I usually feel anger, guilt, and jealousy. Step 2 is actions. Name the specific actions that led to each emotion. For example, I felt jealous when this person named all the places they traveled last year, how many likes they got on Facebook, and how big their salary is. I felt guilty when this person asked me, how come you don't make as much money as I do? And I felt angry when this person didn't even ask if anything was wrong. When after they said all that stuff, I just stood up and walked out of the restaurant. Step 3 is themes. So from all the actions that you've written down, name 1 or 2 themes that you notice from them. Using the example that we've been using, themes might be, okay, this person likes to talk a lot about themselves. They like to point out others' lack of progress or weakness, and they either don't care or don't notice when others show obvious nonverbal signs that they are upset. So that would boil down to, they like to brag, they like to put others down, and they are insensitive to others' emotions. Step 4 is reframe. So take the themes that you have boiled down and challenge yourself to name the opposite of each. So for example, bragging might turn into asking the other person about themselves, being curious about other people. The opposite of putting others down might be giving genuine compliments, noticing what you genuinely appreciate about the other person and letting them know. The opposite of being insensitive to other people's emotions is noticing when those arms cross, noticing when the scowl happens, and having the courage to point it out and being open-minded enough to say, hey, how can we make this better next time? Step 5 is imagine your reframes as a boundary. So if you were in the middle of a circle and that circle was your boundary between you and potential friends, and this circle represented your reframes, okay? What would that boundary be made out of? How tall would it be, and how far away would it be from you? Once you have all those answers, spend time just imagining what that would look like, being on the inside of that. Step 6 is relax within the walls of that boundary. So what would you love to have on the inside of that boundary that would offset the energy you're trying to protect yourself from, and that would resonate with these reframes that you have set for yourself? This could be people, places, things, ideas, anything that would resonate with that kind of energy. Imagine that you're surrounded by all of them. And know that you can now relax because you have done the work of setting those expectations, and they are now doing all the work for you of deciding who comes in and who goes out. So you can now relax and just enjoy what you are attracting. So to wrap up, setting and following through with boundaries seems exhausting, daunting, and continuous at first, but the steps in this video help leverage the initial agitation and stress and flip it on its head into a template that does the maintenance for you. So all you have to do is just relax into the ideal social environment that you are automatically attracting. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below with no strings attached.